Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Teams for the first time. Easy guide step by step clearly. Download Microsoft Teams from the official Microsoft website or your device's app store. Install the app and open Microsoft Teams once the installation is complete. Click Sign In and enter the work, school, or personal Microsoft account you want to use. Type your password and complete any verification steps if your account requires them. Choose whether you want to stay signed in on this device. Then continue to the main screen. Allow notifications so you do not miss messages, meeting reminders, or important updates. Check your profile icon and confirm your name and email are correct. Upload a clear profile photo so teammates can recognize you easily. Set your status to available so others know you are ready to communicate. Open settings and review the general options like language and theme. Go to Devices and Settings and select the correct microphone you will use. Select your speakers or headphones and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Choose the correct camera and preview it to confirm the video looks clear. Run a test call to verify your mic, speakers, and camera work properly. Click Teams on the left menu to see your teams or create a new one. If you need to join an existing team, click Join or Create a Team and enter the code or link. Open a team and choose a channel to see conversations organized by topic. Click New Conversation to send your first message in a channel. Use the formatting tools to add bold text, links, or bullet points when needed. Click Chat to start a private message and search for a person by name or email. Attach a file using the paperclip icon so others can open and edit it easily. Click Calendar to check your schedule and confirm your time zone is correct. Click New Meeting and add a title, date, time, and required attendees. Turn on the online meeting option so everyone can join with a Teams link. Before joining a meeting, review your camera and microphone toggles on the pre-join screen. During the meeting, use the mute button to reduce background noise when you're not speaking. Use Share to present your screen or a specific window, and close other private tabs first. Explore files to access team documents and connect OneDrive if you want easy syncing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.